Remember, my turn and then your turn, okay? S, z, sh, mg, b, k, d, g, j, h, q, w, x, y, ch, a, e, o, a, e, I, O, U, R, or, ow, boy.
Hello Reception. Today for phonics we are going to be practicing the sound. Remember, my turn and then your turn. Good job. Let's have a look at the picture side. Flower. Flower. And last time. Flower. Good job. Let's have a look at some words beginning with the sound. Fish. Flower. Ooh. Fairy. The last one, frog. Fantastic. Let's write the f sound together. So you start at the top, you go down the stem, across the stem. Have a go and practice writing this sound. We are now going to write the word fish together. Let's sound it out. F, I, sh. How many sounds do I have? 3. Well done. What's my first sound? The first sound is the f sound. Can you find the f sound? Well done. Excellent. So we go down the stem and draw the leaves. The next sound, what's the next sound for fish? F, I. Can you find the I sound on the chart? I. Well done, it's right here. I. So down his body and dot for his head. Now we've got the f, I sound. What's the last sound for fish? F, I, sh. Well done. Can you find the sh sound? Is it over here? Oh, well done if you found it before me. Excellent, the sh sound. So this sound is made out of 2 letters. The s sound. So slither down the snake, and then the h sound. Down his head, down the head to the hooves and over his back. Fish, fish. I would now like you to have a go and think of some more words beginning with the f sound. And remember to share it with me on Evidence Me. Bye.